So we are in front of the newest part of the Delta line, which if you know Alliance, the Delta was the original travel trailer line. This is the Ultra Lite ML206, and let's take a look at it.
We are here at the 2025 Florida RV Supershow and in Tampa, and we're going to share some videos that we did of some rigs, and yeah, it's been a great show so far, and we've had a lot of fun.
And honestly, we're only here a couple days. We're not going to do the amount of floor plans that we normally do or the amount of manufacturers, but we are going to bring you some good stuff.
Absolutely. So yeah, get ready to check it out, and we'll see you on the road.
Here is your pass-through, which is nice and wide. It's not as high, but you could put a lot of things in here.
Yeah, sure.
Absolutely.
Spray port over here.
Goodyear Endurance tires.
Yep.
That's an electrical outlet there. Okay, let's head into the Ultra Lite ML206. It's nice and warm here. The fireplace is going. In case you don't know, we've layered because it's a cool
in Florida
January right now. Okay, so this is a nice open space. It comes in at under 24 feet, and you can have what is about
almost 2,500 and
almost 2,500
cargo carrying capacity for this little rig.
A lot. It's great. So I don't know where to begin, but we'll just start here. So you've got pantry, and they pull out. It's just a little.
It's huge.
Magnetic, but look.
All right.
Nice. We've got the double recliners with the stowaways for eating.
Yep.
You have your bed. Now it has drawers for access there, but it also has additional storage space. So I wanted you to see that.
Yep.
The drawers next to it. And of course you have hanging space, which we take out the shelf on either side and additional space up there.
Yep.
Across from the recliner, you have a lovely fireplace and additional storage here, and this does flip down.
Does.
I know how to do it. We have these same ones. So it flips down. If you don't want it, if you want to be able to move around the bed.
Yeah, nice.
And a little bit of storage behind here, not much.
No.
A nice big sink though. And quite a bit of storage up there.
Yeah, this is a great little weekender.
Exactly. A lot of storage under there. And then we have the nice utility drawer again.
All right, let's check out this bathroom.
Your fridge is over here with additional storage there. So they packed a lot of storage in here, and you do have the cargo carrying capacity to actually go ahead and load this up. All right, Scotty test. It's
really tight.
tight for him.
Yeah.
Again, he's almost 6'4". He's got 1-inch shoes, but I mean.
Oh yeah. I couldn't do this one. Whoops.
He's claustrophobic a little bit.
No, I couldn't move around.
Yeah. No. I mean, if he had to in a pinch, he could.
If I had to in a pinch, but.
You've got nice storage there. Yeah. Medicine cabinet there. All right.
Okay.
Sink and storage underneath. So plenty of storage.
Yeah. Good.
And I like these, again, the fold down.
So for a little lightweight, ultra lightweight.
With lots of cargo carrying capacity.
It's not bad at all.
Great.
You'll never put more weight in this than.
No. I would hope not.
I would hope not.
I shouldn't say you never would.
I guess.
But I would hope not. So.
All right.
All right. Thanks for watching.
All right. And we'll see you on the road.
Call it a day and celebrate. Let's celebrate.